Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. Today's reading is going to be different, Capricorn. We are picking cards for your present love situation and the future of this love, guys. So, 3 cards for your present situation and 3 cards for your future. So, we will open the cards for your present situation first, guys, Capricorn. It is 4 of Suns, Judgment in reverse, and 9 of Spheres in reverse. With these cards, guys, for your present situation, guys, your love situation, Capricorn, I see that this person you are in relationship with, or it may be their energy towards you. So someone is having some kind of addictions, guys, and you are in some kind of a treatment for it, maybe rehabilitation, or it may be some illness and you are under treatment for it, and you are coming back home to this person you love, and things are going differently for you guys. You have this beautiful reunion coming today in your present. Maybe for some of you, you were in some faraway place and you are coming back to be with them, or you are getting back to them after some illness or some troubles, or you were in a separation, maybe for work or maybe for some illness. The reasons may be different, but you are coming back to them. So that is what I see, or they are coming back to you after some time of separation because of these reasons, guys. So that is your present, guys, Capricorn. Let us see what are these cards for your future, guys, Capricorn. It's 4 of Stars, 5 of Moons, and 6 of Stars in reverse. So Capricorn, in your future, I see that some truth is being revealed to you guys. Maybe the truth of this person. This person may be not what you see them as today. You have put in a lot, helped them a lot, supported them in the times of need, supported them through sickness or these addictions, whatever your situation is. But still, this person is not worthy of your love. They are not having that understanding, and they are maybe trying to cheat you in your future, guys. I see that this person is not worthy of your love, and they are confessing what they truly feel. Maybe they may not have that true love on you, guys. For some of you, this connection may work, guys, if they are reciprocating that true love you have for them. But for some of you, things are not going to go in a positive way, guys, and this person may try to cheat you, and they may try to leave you, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Capricorn. That is the reading. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Capricorn.